Okay, my new Bradley smoker I just picked up. I wanted to get one of these for about 5 to 10 years. Put it off because the heater elements always go out in them. But through the years, the technology has changed. They improved a lot of the stuff on these things. So I figured they're on sale. I'll take a chance on one. Bought this mainly for doing 1 pound snack sticks, hot dog samples. I have very large smokers that I use for 50 to 100 pounds of meat. Basically, this is just an R&D smoker. Only snack sticks, hot dogs, maybe a summer sausage will go in there. No briskets, pulled pork, chicken, fish, or none will ever be inside of this thing. Well, here we go. Down at the bottom is a water pan that catches these little biscuits that come out. This is a hickory biscuit. Put them in this tube here. This machine here feeds the tube out in here onto this burner. The burner will set that biscuit on smoking. Then as the biscuit burns down, every 20 minutes it'll push out another biscuit and drop it into this water pan that'll extinguish it. Then you pull. Then it also acts as a drip tray too for any fat that comes down. The little drip tray will catch all the fat. So by curing it today, my first time, I got the instruction booklet here on how to cure it. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on stuff. And I know the first thing people make a mistake is on the vent. They think by shutting this vent it's going to get it hotter. It's not. Right in the first words of directions is leave the vent wide open when using it. That's all the heat, steam, condition out. But now to cure it, they're telling me right now to just set it at halfway when I cure it. Curing it is just a way of burning off any oils that come from the factory. It's on here. All these racks have been washed. I took them in the house, washed all these racks and stuff off with hot soapy water. Any factory oils or sediments. You want your first product that you put in there not to taste like oil. Here we go. Okay, first steps to clean the racks, which I did. Fill the drip tray with water. Load it up with 5 briquettes. I did that. You need 2 extra briquettes to push the last 2 out to feed it through. Getting started, press the on-off smoker. Okay, on-off smoker, on. Turn it on. Preheat the biscuit burner for 20 minutes. I'm going to shut the camera off. I ain't going to sit there and run my battery down for 20 minutes while this thing preheats in. I'll be back in 20 minutes now. We're going to advance the pucks onto the burner. By doing that, you hit this button here, and it's supposed to advance the puck out. There you go. Onto the burner. I hit it one more time, it didn't go out all the way. Alright, now it's out on the burner. Okay, that's step 2. Oh, went off the burner. Okay, we just wasted one hockey puck. My fault, people. Alright, well, see, it dropped down in the water and that'll extinguish it if it was burning. Rest in peace, Mr. Hockey Puck. Okay, now we got them out to the burner. Now it says set the smoke timer for 1 hour. Smoke timer. Oh, you see this? I'm inside my shed trying to do this. Oop. 1 hour. There you go, 1 hour. Press on off oven to turn on. On off oven. On. What else we got to do? Set oven temperature to 150 degrees. Oven temperature to 150 degrees. I don't know how well that's showing up, but kind of looks blurry in my viewfinder here. There it is, 150 degrees. for 1 hour. Alright, now we just shut the door and wait. It'll say that your smoker will be seasoned, having reached 150 degrees for 1 hour. Then you're ready to use it for whatever you want to put in it. I'll get back to you in 1 hour. That's been about a half hour, 20 minutes. Let's see, I'm not supposed to do this, but I'll give you guys a peek what's going on in here. You see the one's already dropped down into the bucket, burned up. The sawdust is from the one that fell in earlier that wasn't burned up. It's probably disintegrated. Now the next one is lighting up. Smells good in here. Smoke's coming out of there. Alright, thanks for watching. There's the inside. Burning away. No better picture with my phone. The hockey puck I dropped in earlier. Now they burn and they advance and they fall in. Smells good. It's going to be re-seasoned. I'm going to put some snacks in here in a couple weeks for Christmas. Summer sausage. There, the time's just about up. Before I come back and use my little phone, it shows up the digital numbers a little easier. Should use my phone to videotape this. Oh well. Got 23 more minutes to go, and it'll be 1 hour at 150 degrees. Not up to 150 though, it's up to 142. Keeps bouncing back and forth. Oh, there you go, 144. Hope this thing works out for me. Very disappointed if it stopped working on me real quick.